Devotion in God solves all problems, and how to practice it. When you practice in a walking stage, that is the very deep devotion. And when you stop walking, only standing and practicing, you will have little lesser effect. If you are walking, working, at the same time, concentrate on head to toes, feel it more and more, accept all changes, presence of God. God means power, knowledge, peace. Then you will feel very great relief. What is the meaning of relief? You will find bright light. What is the meaning of bright light? Clear concept, what you have to do. Then most important thing we should remember, when we are working with the leg, walking, working with the arm, working with the eyes, ear, nose, tongue, working with the mind, reasoning power, various kinds of work, whatever we are doing, during that, if we concentrate on head to toes, deeper and deeper, more and more, and practice oneness with that, you will find great light in front. Light does not mean bright light like sunlight, like electricity. Light means clear concept. Light means knowledge. What knowledge we want, what concept we want, what idea we want. You will have it and you will start working very peacefully. And through that work, we will find great peace in our life. And we will realize a state of fearlessness. This is the very important point to understand. A state of fearlessness. Then we do not have any kind of fear. Now, when we show devotion in God in a standing position, stop thinking, stop walking, stop working with the arms, stop listening. That time, whatever realization of peace, knowledge we will get, that will be less important on this earth. When you are sitting and concentrating on head to toes, try to feel whatever we realize, legs, arms, back, abdomen, chest, neck, face, head. We have real thought about each and every part of head to toes. Then we will feel very great peace, knowledge, and we will have clear concept what we have to do in our life. And we will realize a state of fearlessness each moment. And when you are lying down, then devotion of God, whatever we realize, that is of different grade. In lying position, keep on concentrating on head to toes, then we will not have all those ideas how to live on this earth and how to work for all, how to serve human being, animals, plants, ocean, lake, river, mountain. Then when you lie down and try to feel each and every part of head to toes and accept presence of God, then we will realize that our knowledge will be different style. Then we will think that this visible universe we have to live. This is the place of chaos, all kind of problems. Remember, we came here, we are here for one reason, to realize each and every place is a heaven. The moment we realize this earth is heaven, sky is heaven, and all creations are presence of God, then we have passed all examination, then we will realize freedom. Then we can reappear, disappear at our will. There will not be compulsory structure. Then it is not important to stay in this visible form. You can stay or you can disappear. Therefore remember, when you are working, that is the best time to feel head to toes, all changes within presence of God. If you are not working, then you will not have idea how to realize that all creations are presence of God. Then second grade of knowledge we will get when we are standing. Stand still. No work. Then still you will have presence of power, knowledge, peace. But that power, knowledge of peace is having less potential, less frequency, less powerful. And when you sit, third stage. Lying down, fourth stage. But all are important because we came here, we incarnated in the form of human being. Then what is our aim? To live the life so that we should feel earth is heaven, sky is heaven, each and every creation is manifestation of God. Therefore remember, work is very, very important. And purpose of work, we are going to work so that we must concentrate on head to toes. We must realize each and every part, each and every organ, presence of God. There is one saying, if you are in lying position, then we will have understanding of Kali Yuga, dark phase. When you are sitting, our understanding will be equal to Dwapara Yuga. When we are standing, our understanding will be equal to Treta Yuga. When we are working and having devotion in God, then our understanding will be like Satya Yuga. And when we appreciate all, from Kali Yuga to Satya Yuga, from lying position to working, standing, then we feel liberated. Then we are not in the network of cycle of Yuga. Then we will work like Mahatar Babaji, freedom from all bondage. What is our aim? Whatever we know about Kriya Yoga, keep on doing it and have devotion. Then you will find next day you will have brighter idea, clear concept how to practice better. This is the brief message what I wanted to share with all of you. I humbly bow to all of you. We have joined together for the best work to make a change in this world so that all should feel heaven everywhere.